Hello, welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to show tiered pricing based on quantity for wholesale customers using the Wholes plugin. This feature helps you offer better prices for bulk buyers by setting different price levels based on how many items they purchase. Let's walk through the setup. Tiered pricing requires the multiple role-based mode to be enabled. To do that, go to Wholes, Settings, General Settings. Under Wholesaler Type Setup, select Multiple Role-Based from the drop-down. Click Save Changes to activate it. This mode allows you to assign different pricing tiers for different roles and quantity ranges. Now, go to Products, All Products, and click Edit on the product you want to configure tiered pricing for. Scroll down to the Product Data panel and click on the General tab. Here, you can add multiple pricing tiers by selecting a role, entering a price, and defining the minimum quantity required for that price to apply. For example, Platinum Distributor, 50 units, $45. Platinum Distributor, 100 units, $40. Platinum Distributor, 200 units, $35. Click the plus icon to add more tiers. You can create separate pricing structures for different roles. On the product page, logged-in wholesale customers will see a pricing table. It shows a breakdown of the minimum quantities and price per unit, so they can easily decide how much to order. This table updates automatically based on the values you've entered. Once you're done adding the pricing tiers, make sure to click Update to save the product. Your tiered pricing is now live and will apply based on user role and purchase quantity. That's how you enable and display tiered pricing based on quantity in Wholes. It's a powerful way to encourage bulk purchases and offer more value to your wholesale buyers. Thanks for watching. For more tips, check out our other Wholes plugin tutorials.